Sounds cool.
For a Jeep.
No, you're good. Keep coming, Kyle. Right there.
Is this thing gonna make it, bro?
That's a.
We're saying 280.
I'm saying 250.
Oh God, you guys are going high like that.
I'm going 220.
I'm going.
God, you were perfect on the dyno, dude. You could have not got any more.
189.
Perfect. You're welcome. You hear him?
189.
You're welcome.
235.
Okay. We all made our guesses already. Yeah.
Oh, speed limit on that. 105 or something? 187.
Ladies and gentlemen, 231 torque though. I mean,
Yeah, he's a Jeep expert.
I mean, they're just capable. I don't know.
Why did you guess 187?
I guess 179. What did I say? 179?
I thought you said 189.
189?
So it's a speed limit, I guess, that it hit. I saw like 105 and it was like 4,800. I'm like,
I wasn't even looking at speed.
I was because I was worried about the fucking drive shaft fucking paralyzing me.
Nah, that thing's fucking probably this long. This thing's fucking bulletproof.
Whatever. That's all.
This thing's just a rock crawler, so. What do you think? Or make another one? Let's get another one. Maybe
Alright.
it's 190.
Where the hell's the ProCharger going in this thing?
I have no fucking idea.
It looks like there's no room. I'm excited. This build's getting started finally.
It's not a build, Garrett. It's a fucking ProCharger on a stock Jeep.
This is a crazy build right here. This is serious, Matt. What even is this engine? Is it a V6?
Yeah. Probably 3.6 liter. Hey, look at that little bully.
There it is.
Shoo, little 3.4 on that John. What is this?
P1 SCD, I'm assuming.
Injectors? LS3 injectors? Shit, we had these motherfuckers in stock. Okay.
You can put LS injectors in this thing?
Right. Like, you gotta move the radiator a little bit. What the hell?
What the fuck is that?
Blow up valve, I guess. Probably piping it up out of the water area. Let's check out this little guy.
Look real little.
Just a little guy.
Oh man.
Running black. Sweet. Got the sleeper kit.
Damn, I kind of like the black.
Look good being all blacked out.
I kind of wish I did black on more of them.
Alright, I'm probably going to start with putting the injectors in. Pull the intake, turn them off to do that. What's going on with all these monsters? That one yours?
Mine.
This one's yours?
That one's mine. Dude.
This one's yours.
I have no idea what's going on with that one.
This one's not yours. This one is yours.
Look at this fucking guy with his AirPods in. He's probably got the noise canceling on. He can't even hear me. You don't even know how much of an asshole he is and how much I can't stand him Hey. I was just talking shit about you to the camera, just seeing how long I could stand there and talk shit until you notice I was.
Yeah, well, you know what, Garrett? When you got the technology of the Apple AirPod, best on the market. I can't hear shit. I'm over here working on this fucking thing. I don't know what nobody else is doing. I don't care. It's wonderful.
You still working on the injectors? Or making your way to the injectors?
Yeah, I'm slowly making my way. Pulled the alternator off, alternator bracket. That's all gonna get replaced. So just starting to get into the intake manifold now. I didn't know if I was gonna be leaning over these fenders or not, so I'm gonna go ahead and get them wrapped in some plastic. God, that's a little fucking dirt trap right there.
Oh yeah. Oh, a bunch of it. Tree bullshit. I think maybe we'll be able to get like a Apple like sponsorship or something maybe after your little ad there.
I doubt it. I just like to make you feel some sort of way. Bose.
Matt's not happy that I went with the more expensive Bose earbuds as opposed to the Apple ones.
It's insane, Garrett. Why you gotta turn that thing on? I'm trying to talk to you, not the camera. What
We can do both.
Insert two, yup. 0.68 long spacers over the fucking Jones.
How are the plugs to doing this thing? Are they a pain in the ass?
Not bad once the intake's out of the way. Relocate this air pump somewhere, I guess.
Does it get an air filter? Where's it? Doesn't look like there's much room for one.
Garrett, you ever seen a fucking ProCharger before? Is there ever any room to put an air filter on it?
This thing gets a bigger filter than.
Just because
It's on like.
fill the space, you know?
Yeah. I guess you had to cut out a bit of plastic to make that thing fit there. Cut out some of the plastic on the fan.
It's actually kind of nice. I like the way they do the intake on this.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting the intake to turn out that nice.
Yeah.
What is it?
Blow off valve.
Oh.
Cool. Very nice.
What's been going on with this?
Just sitting here revving it.
It's having a good time. Sounds cool.
For a Jeep.
For a Jeep.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to tell anybody this, but I think this is the first. I was a joke. It was the first 23 Wrangler with ProCharger on it. Don't fucking call us if you have a Wrangler, because we're not doing it. Just an FYI. We've done like 20 cars for this guy, so we'll do his. All right, we got a 2023 Wrangler. As far as I know, I believe it's the first 23 with a ProCharger. We had to do some weird things to get it to work, but whatever, we got it. It's on the dyno now. We do not work on Jeeps. We do not do Dodge stuff. We've done like 20 cars for this customer, so it's the only reason we are doing it for him. If you want your Jeep Wrangler supercharged, you're gonna have to call someone who does it. I can sell you the kit, but other than that, let this thing warm up and I'll make a little pull on it. A 223 and 269. So we'll pull some fuel out of it and we'll be back. All right, ProCharger took some fuel out of it and I don't know, did whatever else they do. They just sent me a revision on the tune and gonna make another pull.
Made about the same.
Tack signal's messed up though. It's still rich up top. It was better down low, but. All right, we didn't record much on this because we were going back and forth with ProCharger and it's been kind of a pain. HP Tuners doesn't have a lot of this stuff available to log that we needed, so I've been using the Diablo Sport handheld to log, send it to HP Tuners, or send it to ProCharger, and they've been sending me an HP Tuners file back, etc., etc. It's just kind of been a pain, but we're towards the end now, so I figure I'll start recording again and go from there. Tag signal's not reading great, but I'm gonna send them the file. We'll be back. All right, they made a small change. We're gonna see if it helps. We think this thing might have like 87 or 89 octane or whatever in it, but we don't know. Better. 270 there. All right, I'm just gonna make another pull. Rev it a little higher. I didn't feel like revving it any higher. I was already going like 110. All right, I'm just gonna make a final pull on this, and maybe we'll have them come back in the future and throw it back on after we cycle this gas out of there, but it should be pretty good for now.
All right? Never fucking worked that hard in your life. Yeah, you'd be all right. Your tear ducts are on fire too. Your tear ducts are on fire too. No, your tear ducts. You're crying. $283. Picked up like 100.
Yeah, a little over 100. Not bad. ProCharger thinks if we get like good 93 in there and it has all the timing that it should have in there, because it's still getting a little bit of knock right now, that it should make over 300. So, and it's only on 5 pounds of boost, so pretty badass. But that's it for now. Again, we don't do Jeeps. Please don't call us. Love you. Bye.